Hello NEET user experience. You are watching official YouTube channel of Shiva Learning. You all can also visit us on www.shivalearning.in for more details at our official sites. Or you can just search in Google Shiva Learning to get all the important informations about the counseling procedure, colleges list, cutoff and fees structure etc. at our sites. Okay. So this is the video about deemed universities of India with the fees structure, okay, and the marks required to get admitted in that colleges. In this video, I will cover all the private colleges of each state, but I'm not going to cover each colleges. I will cover only the top self-financing colleges from each state. आई मीन टू से भारत के जितने भी स्टेट हैं हर एक स्टेट में जो टॉप के प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस हैं जैसे टॉप 5 टॉप 10 टॉप 12 उन्हीं की लिस्टिंग की गई है इस वीडियो में और उनका क्या फीस स्ट्रक्चर है और क्या मार्क्स रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा उन्हीं के बारे में बताया जाएगा ठीक है और सारी डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज का जो फीस स्ट्रक्चर है और मार्क्स रिक्वायर्ड है वो बताया जाएगा ओके so if you are new to the channel then don't forget to subscribe us because we are going to update lots of important informations during your counseling days okay so let's start the video so if you're talking the deemed universities of India with the fees structure early for the session 2021 okay the cutoff score as a general is minimum 170 and maximum 540. Okay. So first one is the Hamdard Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. Okay. So now the fees is 14 per annum for 5 year. Earlier up to 2020 the fees was 12 lakhs per annum and the marks required was 530 plus. But for this year it is 14 lakhs per annum and marks required is 510 plus. Okay. So this is for Hamdard Institute of Medical Science Delhi. Second one is the KIMS Bhubaneswar. The fees is approximately 16 lakhs per annum for 4.5 years and the score required will be 420 plus. Okay. Third one is the Manipal Tata. Okay. So this is also one of the India top colleges from Manipal Group. So the fees is 15.3 lakhs per annum for 4.5 years or you can say 17.7 lakh for 4 years. They have updated at their website that they are going to charge 17.7 lakh for each year for 4 installment only. Okay. So marks required for Tata Manipal, it will go 500 plus. Okay. For Manipal branch, it will go 525 plus, and for Mangalore branch, it will go 520 plus. Okay. This is the details I'm saying for this year, expected for this year. Okay. Not the last year cutoff. Okay. Geetam Vijay, this is also one of the best college, okay, having the fees is approximately 21 lakhs for 4.5 years. And the second one is the IMS Sham Hospital, Bhubaneswar. The fees is 17.5 lakhs for 4.5 years. Marks required is 380 plus. And for Geetam, marks required is 250 plus. Okay. Now you have SPKS Vidyapeeth, Vadodara, 15.95 for 4.5 year. Marks required is 420 plus. Okay. Institute of Mulana, 15 lakhs per annum for 4.5 year. Marks required is 340 plus. Okay. SDU Medical College Kolar, 14.5 for 4.5 year. Marks required is 450 plus. Okay. And then you have JSS Medical College, Jagatguru. At this time, the fees is 14.75. They may increase the fees for this year, but still there is no official update. So 14.75 for 4.5 year, and the score required will be 495 plus. Okay, got it? And then KS Agde Mangalore 15.35 for 4.5 year, score required will be 460 plus. And now you have Sri Siddhartha Medical College Tumkur, bank guarantee is required, course is 4.5 year, fees is 15.66. Okay, marks required will be 300 plus. So for both the campus, okay, marks required will be 300 plus. BLD University Bijapur, 18 lakhs fees is there. Earlier it was only 17 lakhs, but from this year it is 18 lakhs per annum. Now you have Anepoya Mangalore. Marks required for BLD Bijapur is 370 plus, okay. And for Anepoya Mangalore, it is 17.5 for 4.5 years, okay. Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Belgavi, 18.28 is the fees. For 4.5 years, marks required is 440 plus. Okay, and now you have Raja Rajeshwari Medical College, Bangalore. The fees is 23 per annum for 4.5 years. Marks required is 180 plus. Okay. Amrita Institute of Medical Science, Kochi, 18 lakhs for 5 years. Marks required will be 450 plus. Okay. Symbiosis Medical College for women, the fees is only 10 lakhs for 4.5 years. Increasement for every year is 10%, and the marks required will be 510 plus. This is especially for girls only. Rural Medical College, Bimsoloni, now the fees is 16.25 for 4.5 year. Earlier it was 14.5. Okay. Now the Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune, the fees is 2035515. 5% increment is there, and marks required will be near about 388 plus. Okay. For the Bharati Vidyapeeth Sangli, 19 lakhs fees is there, 5% increment is there. Marks requirement will be same as Pune. Okay. It will go around 370 plus. Okay. MGM Medical College, Aurangabad, the fees is 20 lakhs. Okay. And the 4.5 year and MGM Medical College, Navi Mumbai, the fees is 20 lakhs 4.5 year. Both the colleges need minimum marks of 340. Okay. And now you have Datta Mekhe Institute of Medical Science, Nagpur. Okay. 7.5% increasement is fees and 5% increasement is hostel. Marks required is 160 plus. Okay. So for Datta Mekhe, JLN Datta Mekhe Vardha, same. The fees is approximately 20 lakhs 50,000. 7.5% increment in fees and 5% increment in hostel. Marks requirement will be 220 plus. Okay. Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, Kolhapur, 20.6 for 4.5 year. Krishna Institute of Medical Science, Karad, 20.87, 7% yearly increment is there. And Dr. D.Y. Patil Pune, the fees is 25 lakhs per annum, 7% early increment is there. Okay. And now you have Dr. D.Y. Patil, Navy Mumbai. The fees is 25.75. Okay. Marks requirement will be approximately 170 plus. Okay. For this college, marks required is approximately 250. For DY Patil Pune, also the marks requirement will be 180 plus. Okay. So these are the marks requirement for each colleges. Okay. With their fees structure. Vinayaka Missions Karakal, 18 lakhs, 5 year, marks is 280 plus. Okay. Arupadai Vidu Medical College, Puducherry, 19.5 for 5 year, marks required is approximately 260 plus. Okay. Sri Lakshmi Narayan Medical College, Puducherry, 21.5 for 5 years. Okay. If you're talking about the marks required, okay, then again it will go near about 190 marks. Okay, 190 plus. Same way for Mahatma Gandhi, the fees is 22, and for Satya Sai 22. I mean to say only 20, and Vinayaka Mission Slim only 20. Meenakshi Medical College, Chennai 22.5, SRM Medical College 22.5, SCS 23, Cherina 24.5, Ramachandra 25. Savita Medical College, Chennai 24.75, Sri Balaji 24.75, Bharat Medical Hospital 22, and Santosh Medical Ghaziabad 24. For all these colleges, approximately marks required will be 180 to 270. Okay, if you have this much marks, you can get all these colleges except one college. Okay, which one is Ramachandra? So for Ramachandra, minimum marks requirement will be approximately 400. Okay, so for Ramachandra only, remain all these colleges you can get at these marks. Okay, and now let's see the top 10 top 10 private medical college from the Karnataka. The cutoff required is 530 plus for non-domicile and domicile students, 480 plus for the private seat. Fees is 9.9 lakhs per annum. Okay. Okay, so now let's see about the first one is the B.R. Ambedkar Medical College, Bangalore. Second one is the JGM Medical College, Davangere. Third one, Campegowda, MS Ramaiah, Vaidehi, Father Muller, St. John's, Oxford, AJ and MVJ. These are top 10 medical colleges from the Karnataka regions. Okay. Marks required for the non-domicile is 530 plus and for domicile is 480 plus for these colleges. Okay. So as I earlier told you that I'm not going to take all the colleges, only the colleges which are in top ranking that only I am discussing by the state private colleges. स्टेट प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस के जो कॉलेज टॉप के हैं उन्हीं के बारे में केवल बताया जा रहा है. Okay. Now let's see the top 12 private medical college from उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश से 12 ऐसे प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज के बारे में बताया जाएगा जिनका कट ऑफ 400 प्लस के राउंड रहेगा और ये अच्छे कॉलेजेस रहेंगे फीस के साथ. So भारती मेडिकल कॉलेज मेरठ 11.31, हिंद इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस बाराबंकी 11.3, श्री राम मूर्ति स्मारक बरेली 12.72, रोहिलखंड मेडिकल कॉलेज बरेली 12.26. Okay. So this is the fees per annum. Rama Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Kanpur, 12.3. School of Medical Science, Sardar University, 11.79. And Rama Medical College in Hapur, okay, 12.54. Heritage Institute of Medical Science, Varanasi, 12.62. And KD Medical College, Mathura, 11.68. And now you have Muzaffarnagar Medical College 12.31 and Saraswati Institute of Medical Science Hapur 11.05 and T.S. Misra Institute of Medical Science Lucknow 12.65. So these are the top 12 institutes from उत्तर प्रदेश. ये उत्तर प्रदेश से 12 बेस्ट प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस हैं. okay? बहुत सारे हैं, अभी 30 प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस हैं पर ये 12 एक एवरेज बजट में अच्छे कॉलेज हैं. okay? Now let's see the top 10 private colleges in Maharashtra. Okay. So Maharashtra, the marks required will be 440 plus. Okay. And this I'm saying for general category only. The colleges with this structure is given here. Okay. So Vasant Pawar, okay, and at number two Kasi by Navale. Third one is the Terna Medical College, Maharashtra Institute of Medical Science, Latur, and Maharashtra Institute of Medical Science, Pune, KJ Sumaya, Punjab Rao, SMBT, Aswani, Dr. Ullas Pati, SCPM Dubey, and Dr. Vittal Rao. So these 12 colleges are there which are top in Maharashtra. Okay. So this is the fees is given for 5 year. Okay. I mean to say 4.5 year. ये total fees आपको दिया हुआ है. Okay. So these are the details from the Maharashtra top 12 colleges. Okay. क्या होता है कि बच्चे चॉइस फिलिंग के समय डाउट में रहते हैं कौन सा अच्छा कॉलेज है, किस में फोकस किया जाए, तो ये सब स्टेट वाइज जो बताया जा रहा है, these are the top colleges from each state. Now let's see the top 10 private colleges in Kerala. The cutoff for non-domicile is 535 and the fees is 6.5 lakhs per annum. Okay. So first one is the Jubilee Mission, second one is the Amla, third one is the KMCT, fourth one is the Puspagiri. Fees is still there only 6.5 lakhs per annum only. Okay. And Malankara, Sri Narayana, Believers, Malabar, Ajijia and Sri Gokula. So these are the top 10 colleges from the Kerala region. Fees is only 6.5 lakhs per annum. Cutoff if required will be 530 plus. Now let's see for other states. Okay. So let's see for top 10 private medical college in Telangana. The fees is 11.5 per annum and the cutoff is 400 plus. 400 means it will go around 450, 460 also in the round one. Okay. 470. Okay. So let's see for the first one is the Deccan Medical College Hyderabad, Apollo Hyderabad and Kamneni Academy of Medical Science Hyderabad, Bhaskar Medical College, Mamta Medical College, Kamneni, Chalmeda, Pratima, Medicity, and MN. So there are other colleges are also there in Telangana state, but these are the top 10 colleges from that state, okay, where you can easily opt without any hesitation. अगर आपको इसमें से कोई भी कॉलेज मिल रहा है, then you can opt easily, okay, and this is also open state. Now let's see the top 10 medical colleges which are private in Andhra Pradesh. So the fees is 12 lakhs per annum and the cutoff is 400 plus. So first one is the Alluri Sitaram, second one is the Katuri Medical College, third one NRI, fourth one Great Eastern, Maharaja, NRI, Visakhapatnam, Gayatri Medical College, Narayan, PS Kuppam, and at 10th you have Apollo Chittur. So these are the top 10 colleges from Andhra Pradesh where you can opt easily without any doubt. अगर आपको इसमें से कोई भी कॉलेज मिलता है then you can opt that without any hesitations. Okay. Now let's see the top 7 private medical colleges from Madhya Pradesh. At present, Madhya Pradesh have 9 private medical colleges. So these are top 7. Okay. If you are talking about the fees structure, अगर हम फीस की बात करते हैं then 8.5 to 10.5. कट ऑफ की बात करते हैं 430 प्लस फॉर डोमिसाइल एंड 520 प्लस फॉर नॉन डोमिसाइल. Okay, and now I'm getting tired, sorry. And now you have first one is the Aurobindo Institute of Medical Science Indore, second one is the Chirayu, third one Ardigadi, fourth one Peoples, fifth one Index, sixth one LN, and seventh one is the Amalta. So these are the 7 private medical colleges which you can opt without any hesitation from Madhya Pradesh. Now let's see the top 3 private medical colleges from Bihar. Okay, so at this time Bihar have 6 private medical colleges, but only these are the good, and marks required is 400 to 5115. Okay, so first one is the Mata Gujri Memorial Medical College Kishanganj, 7.5 fees. Second one is the Narayan Medical College Sasaram, 8.5 fees. Third one is the Katihar Medical College Katihar. Now the fees is 9.5. Earlier it was 7.5. Okay, so they have increased the fees by this year by 2 lakhs. Okay, now let's see the private medical college in West Bengal. Okay, so the only college which is good in West Bengal, I mean to say superb in West Bengal, that is KPC Medical College. The cutoff is 520 plus, and all others colleges except KPC the cutoff is 200 plus. Okay, so first one is the KPC Medical College. This is a exceptional college having the fees is only 50 lakhs and very good colleges. And if you're talking about the number 2 college, then which is IQ City. Number 3, if you're talking, then Jagannath Medical College. And number 4th, if you're talking IKR Haldia. Number 5th is Ramakrishna, and number 6 is Gauri Devi. So these are the 6 colleges where the fees structure is also given. The fees structure is given for all 4.5 years. Okay. So if anyone want admission in these colleges, no problem, we can help you to get there admitted. So these are the details from the West Bengal. Okay, let me tell that the West Bengal colleges also ask for the bank guarantee. So because of the bank guarantee and many restrictions, there is a lots of vacant seat used to be there. काफी सीटें वहाँ पे खाली रहती हैं, तो आप 60, 65, 70 lakhs में ओवरऑल बजट इंक्लूडिंग हॉस्टल में इजीली वहाँ पे पढ़ सकते हैं. Okay. Now let's see the top 3 private medical college in हरियाणा. कट ऑफ की बात करते हैं 350 से प्लस ही रहेगा. आदेश मेडिकल कॉलेज कुरुक्षेत्र, एसजीटी गुरुग्राम, एनएनसी मेडिकल कॉलेज पानीपत. आदेश की बात करते हैं 11 फीस है, एसजीटी गुरुग्राम की 18 फीस है, एनसी मेडिकल पानीपत की 11 फीस है. स्कोर की बात करते हैं आदेश में 350 रहेगा, एनसी मेडिकल कॉलेज में अप्रोक्सीमेटली 400, 410, 420 के आसपास रहेगा. SGT में 150 is enough to get admitted in SGT Medical College. Top private medical college in Punjab. So at Punjab the fees is 9 lakhs per annum and the cutoff is 430 to 550 except the Adesh Medical College where the cutoff is 300 plus. Okay. So first one is the Dayanand Medical College Ludhiana. Second one is the Christian Medical College Ludhiana. Third one is the Punjab Institute of Medical Science Jalandhar. Fourth one is the Guru Ramdas SGRT Amritsar. Fifth one is the Adesh Medical College Bhatinda. Sixth one is the Gyan Sagar. Okay. So सबसे ज़्यादा जो कट ऑफ रहती है वो आपका क्रिश्चियन लुधियाना का और दयानंद मेडिकल लुधियाना का कट ऑफ रहता है. उसके बाद एसजीआरटी का रहता है, फिर पिम्स का रहता है, फिर ज्ञान सागर का, फिर आदेश का। ओके। फीस जो है अभी सबका इक्वल है, 9 lakhs के पर एनम है। फीस वहाँ बढ़ भी सकती है। ओके। नाउ लेट्स सी द टॉप प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस इन उत्तराखंड। उत्तराखंड में अभी 3 कॉलेजेस हैं। दो जो अच्छे हैं वो आपका पहले नंबर पे हिमालयन है, नंबर 2 पे गुरु राम राय है। हिमालयन की फीस की बात करते हैं तो 15 लाख रुपए फीस पड़ेगा, 450 प्लस स्कोर की नीड रहेगी। गुरु राम राय की बात करते हैं तो 13 lakhs पर एनम फीस रहेगा और 300 प्लस स्कोर की नीड रहेगी। ओके, सो दिस इज द डिटेल्स फ्रॉम उत्तराखंड। ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी अबाउट द छत्तीसगढ़। छत्तीसगढ़ में अगर हम बात करते हैं तभी 3 कॉलेज हैं, जिसमें से 2 अच्छे हैं, ये दोनों अच्छे हैं। ये अभी नया खोला है, दिस इज ओपन दिस ईयर ओनली। इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कट ऑफ, देन 420 प्लस इज रिक्वायर्ड only for domicile people, and for non-domicile it is 530 plus is required. So college is Raipur Institute of Medical Science, Shankaracharya Institute of Medical Science, and Sri Balaji Medical College Raipur. Okay, 40 lakhs total budget, 40 lakhs total budget 37 lakhs. Okay, so these are the details from Chhattisgarh. Now the last state, the top 9 private medical college in Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is also open state where other state students can also apply. The fees is 12.5 lakhs per annum and the cutoff is 380 plus. First one is the best college in Chennai, I mean to say in Tamil Nadu, the PSG Medical College, PSG Institute of Medical Science, Coimbatore. Second one is the Tagore Medical College. Third one is the Karpakka, and fourth one is the, okay, Melmaruthur, okay, and the fifth one is the Sri Mukambikai, sixth one is the Velamal, seventh one is the Dhanlakshmi, eighth one is the Trichy, and ninth one is the Rajamuthia. Okay, so these are the colleges in Tamil Nadu at present. Okay, so these are 9 colleges which are best and you can opt easily if you are getting out of these colleges. Okay, the cutoff I already told, 380 plus is required for the B category seat. I am not discussing here A category. Okay, so वीडियो में भी थोड़ा मैं फास्ट बोला हूँ। ओके, और मे बी देर इज a language problem. Okay, then I'm extremely sorry for that, but anyhow I try to explain all the details, okay, which will be sufficient for you to choose the colleges across India. Okay, सो टॉप से टॉप मार्क्स वालों के लिए, लोअर से लोअर मार्क्स वालों के लिए सारी डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी और स्टेट के जो प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस टॉप के हैं उनके बारे में आपको बता दिया गया है। ओके, फिर भी कोई डाउट आती है देन आवर नंबर इज गिवन देयर, you can call us. Sure, we are available for the premium counseling CTC, and then we are going to help you. Okay, so thank you for watching. Okay, hope you are doing well in your life.